Hello, friends. Today, I will explain common English verb collocations. These combinations are very important because they help you speak naturally and correctly. We will look at several common verbs: make, do, take, have, get, go, come, keep, let, put, turn, and look. Let's begin. First, make. We use make when we create or produce something. For example, make a decision, make a mistake, make a plan, make an effort, and make progress. These expressions are very common in daily English.
Next, do. We use do for actions, work, or tasks. For example, do homework, do the dishes, do exercise, do business, and do your best. It is often used for general activities. Now, take. We use take in many everyday situations. For example, take a break, take notes, take a shower, take a chance, and take care. These phrases are useful in daily conversations. Next, have. We use have to talk about experiences and activities. For example, have a seat, have an idea, have a problem, have a meeting, and have a good time. Now, get. We use get for actions, changes, or results. For example, get up, get dressed, get a job, get back home, and get ready. Next is go. We use go for movement and activities. For example, go to school, go to work, go home, go shopping, and go for a walk. Now, come. We use come to show movement toward a place. For example, come back, come in, come to school, come on time, and come early. Next, keep. We use keep to talk about continuing something. For example, keep calm, keep quiet, keep in touch, keep a secret, and keep trying. Now, let. We use let when we allow or suggest something. For example, let me help you. Let me explain. Let me see. Let me know. And let me try. Next, put. We use put when placing or moving something. For example, put on your shoes. Put in the bag. Put up a picture. Put together. And put away your clothes. Now, turn. We use turn for changing direction or switching something. For example, turn on the light. Turn off the TV. Turn right. Turn left. And turn down the music. Finally, look. We use look in different expressions. For example, look at me. Look after your things. Look for a job. Look like your father. And look forward to it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.